we'll start with the quiet part. There's that. Then we have Maniac Kitties. That's Oliver, of course Spike, George Jr. and Veronica, Georgette. That's 6 of them. And you got your little Patches down here. She is still not eating. She's a very, very naughty, naughty kitty. What you doing, baby? What you doing? Huh? Don't tilt your head to look really cute. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Here's the rest of the gang. See, this is every day. This is what it is to have 7 kittens on the porch. Just like this right here. And there's that. They're going to be with the WWF pretty soon. And there's a naughty kitty right there. That's Oliver. They really do enjoy the spider plant. Really enjoy that. Here's that one. She ain't moving. That's not Spike. There's the Rasslers right there. Uh-oh. Georgette's going to get in on it. Uh-oh. Well, look out. Hey, hey, hey. I see your little nipples. Whoa! What was that? What was that? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. He thinks he's a mountain goat. Turns out he's not. Oh, my. We're hoping they're going to get cute pretty soon. We're still waiting. Oh, my. Uh-oh, we lost one of the Rasslers. Uh-oh, here they are. Here they are. There's Georgette. Wow, look at you up there. Look at you up there. There's Veronica. She's going to check out the plant. Wonder what this is down here. See. Maybe some dirt I can eat. Ah, here comes Georgette. Little jungle kitties. They're little jungle kitties. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hi. Hi, little kitty. Hi. What you doing? Uh-oh. I got in trouble. I got in trouble. What are you doing? Oh, my. Aren't you trying to get me? Uh-oh. What are you doing? That's just silly in there. That's just very silly. Yes, it is. Where do you think you're going? Huh? Where do you think you're going in there? Let's see. Here's who else we have. We have Patches. There's Mommy. There goes Mommy. Patches. There's the Rasslers. There's the Rasslers. I'm missing somebody. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are we missing? And she's still there. She's still there. I'm not sure if she's trying to get the camera. She's trying to get. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're gonna get completely stuck, aren't you? Yes, she is. She's gonna be completely stuck in there. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Hello. Hello, little kitty. That's not cute. Quit trying I think you're doing cute stuff. I'm not buying it. Then this is what we get every morning, right here. Right there you go. Sorry. She likes to play with my slippers. Sometimes she falls asleep on the slippers. Hello? Hello? Uh-oh, that's who we were missing. Oliver. There he is. There he is. Ah, there's Patches. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. She's the only one who ever does this. Ever. Ever. She just doesn't play with others. What's that? What is that? Oh my. See, this is the problem right there. Therein lies the problem. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are you doing under there? That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Oliver, can you please help me with that? Can you help me with... Oh, there's Spike. See what you can do with that. I'm going to get that thing checked. It's all different colors. Let's see if we can get that one checked. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a kitty frenzy, huh? It's just a little kitty frenzy. Here's the lambs. Yep. Uh-oh. What's that? Okay. Finish this up. Ah, we lost one of the wrestlers. Oh, that's Spike. Oh, here comes Georgette. Uh-oh. She's in a higher weight class. That's not fair. That's not fair. Turns out she's just there to watch. That's a very half-hearted. Yeah, that's very half-hearted. There you go. You get them. You get your little cousins. Hey. Wait, gotta look here, right? Yeah. And then you still have this. That's one of the biggest problems right there, huh, buddy? One of the biggest problems. Huh, Patches? Yeah. Yeah. He's maybe gonna have a rest. Maybe have a rest, huh? Okay. Oh, I heard some squeaking. There could be a winner any moment. Or possibly not. This could go on forever. Okay. And there's this one more time. See what I said? Gotta get that check. I think I need a invitation. I need a kitty invitation, don't I? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Okay, and then we'll finish up with this. This will probably be here all day long. Nothing wakes this up. Oh boy. Well, that was a fun place.